I'm here in North of Taiwan, so we're just looking at the Sandiaoling bike path. I'll be making my way from the station there through until the other side. So first of all, this is where I am. This is what we'll be walking on, which is essentially reinforcing bars that have been oxidized, so they're safe to walk on. It's very stable. It's been cleverly designed with eco-friendliness in mind. So plants and air, moisture, etc., rain, all can permeate through the walkway and allow these microorganisms to flourish beneath the walkway. I'm going to start off, make our way from the station here, and midway through the walk you might be able to see some bats, and then getting towards the end is a breakout space, so a breakout transition between the two tunnels, and then also make our way right at the end at the reflection pool. So if we make our way here, this is the entrance here. Again, I've just got these bars that have been formed, and these transition into becoming seating or hand railing or protective side barriers on the side of the tunnel. So if we make our way in, you can see the terminal is relatively dimly lit. This just enables you to see enough to be able to walk through. And the path is wide enough to accommodate bike pedestrians. Lighting is directed away from the pathway, so it's basically just side lighting, so you don't light into people's eyes. And then also you can see on the side there, so again just lighting fixed. Walkway is naturally suspended off from the ground, but also does not touch the existing tunnel as well. And now we're reaching the stage where we will be able to see the bats up on the ceiling there. So you can see there's a couple of them suspended off the underside of the tunnel. And then I'll just briefly touch on the signage. So you can see you've got these signage markers all made out of the deformed reinforcing steel again. So in this case 2 kilometers and 300 meters. So basically these markers tell you exactly how far you've already walked through the tunnel. And there's the lighting on the side of the walking structure. And this is the breakout transition space between the two tunnels. You can see this is the type of vegetation and the landscape that you were transitioning through, so very densely vegetated mountainous area. And then right at the end here we reach our reflection pool. So this is intentionally designed in such a way so that the water would actually submerge part of the walkway, so that it will give you some interesting effects, but also now enabling you to give some nice photography shots for those I'm interested in. And in terms of detailing, again just a real simple detail. So you've got an L bracket or angle bracket here with the reinforcing for the balustrading as well. So essentially using that same material in a variety of ways to achieve some great architectural features.